Hey guys, it's Carla. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm painting a very easy bunny rabbit. I'm using acrylic paint. I've got my outline sketched on my canvas, and if you want that outline, if you look in the description below, there's a link to my Facebook page, and you can go on there and print off the outline for free and the reference photo. So this is kind of a watercolor technique, but I'm using acrylic paint. So I'm just, most of the time, watering it down. So that's the only difference. If you want it darker, you put less water in. If you want it lighter, you put more water. And I'm just using just a cheap round synthetic brush. I'm doing this on an 8x10 canvas panel, and I use those because they're just easy to find and very inexpensive. So, but you could do this on watercolor paper as well. The main thing to remember here is just to, once you've got your outline on, this is so super easy. But the main thing to remember is just to keep it very loose. Get out of line sometime. It looks good when you do that with watercolor, because we'll be coming back with a black Sharpie and putting in some outlining. So just keep this very loose, and make it your own. As far as colors, you can use different colors, and you can put the colors different places. What I'm using is, I've got on my palette white, raw sienna, burnt sienna, red, just a little dot of red, and black. You don't need very much paint at all with this because it's watercolor, so most of it is water. I've got way too much paint on my palette for this. So just keep in mind that you just need like a little dot of each color. Now I'm still using a cheap synthetic brush, but I've gone to a smaller one now for my smaller details. So once you've got your watered down color on, you can come back and add in these darker, like the black and the white, darker or bolder colors. But again, just make it your own. Just know that where the darker shades are, you do need the darkness in there for depth, and the white and lighter colors for highlights. But other than that, the colors don't matter at all. And it's okay to come back and darken things up or lighten them up. It's a good idea to step back away from it and just look at it from a distance, or come back to it after a few minutes and get a new perspective on it. And then you'll know what else you might want to do to it. So after you've dried it very well, you're going to use a black Sharpie. This is an extra fine Sharpie, not just fine, but extra fine. And just very loosely outline it. Don't try to stay on the line or anything, just very loosely outline. And then go back and you can use it to go put in smaller details, like on the eye or whatever. And then the whiskers. And like I said, this is a very easy painting, and with Easter coming up, you can just kind of, if you've got 20 minutes to work on it, you can have it done. So I hope you enjoyed it and give it a try. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that, and give my videos a thumbs up if you like them. Let me know. Let me know you like them, and let YouTube know you like them. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I hope you tune in next time.